Crosswind Swiss Luxury Resorts. Dito po tayo Tagaytay.
Bossing, ito naman po sir, isusurrender
Yung parking.
lang, paglalabas na lang po tayo.
Okay po.
Maraming salamat boss.
Tingin tayo sa Crosswind. Sa
Let's
loob.
be going to the playground.
So, you work hard and you buy a house like that. To be okay with picture and plans.
Mga fresh fruit po yan. Meron din po mga slice of cakes. Ito naman tayo sa windmill. Ito yung sa windmill.
I think that's right. 695.
That is mine.